Hello. Today, I'm going to use Atomy HemoHIM's numbers for fact-checking. Why fact-check? For good products, facts are enough. Okay then, let's go through the numbers of Atomy HemoHIM. It all began with 8 years of Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute's research projects. A shocking amount of 5 billion Korean won was invested as research funding, but a small amount to kick off the beginning of immunity. Researching tirelessly paid off. In South Korea, USA, Japan, 4 European countries, and more, with the acquisition of 21 patents worldwide. In South Korea, it is the first individually approved health functional ingredient that improves the immune system. USA, Singapore, Australia, Mexico, Russia, etc. The world is already experiencing the new immunity of HemoHIM. They know what's good. Number 1 for single product sales in the industry for 7 consecutive years. 220 million packages per year. 7 packages per second even now. 419 boxes of HemoHIM are sold every hour. Experience the power of immunity shown by these various numbers. Only for immunity. Atomy HemoHIM.